Hey, hey, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about how you make your business newsworthy. And one of my favorite resources is what's known as the non-traditional calendar. You might think about IHOP, who does National Pancake Day, or Dunkin' Donuts, who does National Donut Day. So do some research, look into what you can, relate your business to. One of my favorite ones was a cupcakery, but instead of pitching National Cupcake Day with 10,000 other, bakeries in the area, they launched their maple bacon cupcake on National Bacon Day. Brilliant. I worked with somebody who wrote a book about honesty in business, and he's always on television on National Honesty Day. If you know my story and you know about my product, fashion accessories for medical boots, I actually pitched National Healthy Foot Month, which really does exist in April, and got coverage on that. So, play around on Google, think outside of the box, and see what kind of non-traditional holidays you can use to pitch your business. And I can't wait to hear about it, and I can't wait to see you in the media. And if you like this and you want more, please join the PR Challenge. It's at yourprchallenge.com. Give me 10 minutes a day for 10 days, and I will make you more visible. So I hope to see you there. See you on the inside.